Today we are going to show you how Phonemos can connect your company knowledge base with modern AI systems like Claude AI, Gemini, CoPilot, or Chatgpt. This allows you to search your internal wiki using natural language and get instant answers from your company's knowledge. In many organizations, important knowledge is stored inside a wiki, like Phonemos for example. But finding the right information can still take time. You need to search through multiple pages, open documents, and read through long articles. AI changes this completely. Phonemos can easily be connected to any AI system like Claude AI, Gemini, CoPilot, ChatGPT, or even custom AI models. In this example, we use Claude AI and connected it to our internal Linkyard wiki. Claude AI can now access all the knowledge stored in Phonemos and use it to answer any questions. Let's switch the screen and try out two example questions to demonstrate how it works. I have already prepared two example questions so that you don't have to see me typing. I'm just going to paste them in and click here on enter, and then we let Claude work or do its magic, and then we see the answer. As you can see, and now we have the answer to all the AI features that are available in Phonemos. Let's try with the second question. As before, I'm going to copy and paste the second question: which authentication methods does Phonemos support, and give me the corresponding link to the Phonemos pages. Let's click on enter and see what Claude will tell us. Great, here we have the answer. So you can see that there are various authentication methods like single sign-on, one-time login, or single sign-on with Entra, Azure. I'm going to switch screens really quick. And there you can see that the best of all AI integrations like this are included in Phonemos at no additional cost, even in the team subscription. If you would like to see how Phonemos and AI can improve knowledge access in your organization, feel free to contact us at phonemos.com. Looking forward to seeing you in the next Phonemos video. Bye bye.